Hello, my dear traders. Very welcome to Tums Trading Academy. And today also we are going to have another trading session with binary options. Enough talking. Let's go for our today day trade, guys. All right, my dear traders. Look at my live account. In the beginning of my live account, I have $2,000, and the first investment is going to be $500 for today. And I choose the currency pair, and let's push up with the currency pair, guys, because let me explain the market strategy, guys. Look at in the bottom of this green candle, there is no shadow, and it means, guys, there is a huge opportunity with the buying option. That's why I pushed up. And look at the below RSI indicator, guys. According to the RSI indicator, it has been crossed the oversell zone, and it went down, and it was in the kind of range zone, flat zone, guys. I think so it's the bottom, guys. So when the market hit the bottom, it's time to turn up, guys. So now, according to my opinion, it should be the green candle should be growing up. Market should be growing up with the buying opportunity. By the way, so far so good. Let's wait and see. Maybe it's a 50-50 one. By the way, I'm going to lose this 500, maybe. Yeah, I lost my 500. It doesn't matter. Let's go with $1,000 second investment, guys, and let's push up again, because in any moment the market should be turn up, guys. So far so good. Don't get panic, guys. Be patient. We are day traders, we are professional traders, so that's why patience is the most important thing, guys. And let's yeah. And the whole market pattern, it's like a bearish pattern, guys. By the way, yeah, I think let me analyze the RSI indicator, and yeah, it's going good. So far so good. I'm going to make this profit, and let's put the third investment for another currency pair, guys, $500. Okay, after this one, I'm changing the market, the currency pair, into another one. Look at this, guys, the profit $1,890. And guys, let's change the currency pair. Let's choose a good one. Yeah, here, let's push up, guys. Follow the trend. Trend is our friend, guys. Look at this. It went up, and it's going down, guys, increasing up, climbing up. There is a very according to the trend, guys, there is a very big opportunity with the buying option. So that's why I decided to invest my 500 for the third investment for today, guys, with this currency pair, euro to USD. By the way, so far so good. Let's wait and see. And also, guys, I should mention you about my VIP Telegram channel. Join with my VIP Telegram channel, improve your day trading knowledge. And guys, there it's available an ocean of extra educational things, my tactics, my analysis, day trading online updates, and everything, guys. You can use it, and you can improve your knowledge. And look at my profit, guys, $890, guys. Look at this. So let's wait and see. Let's push up. Yeah, with another 500, guys, because and according to the RSI indicator, it has almost reached into the overbought zone, guys. I think still we have that opportunity. With the buying option with the green candle. So because it's growing up, the market behaving like it's growing up, and maybe when it hit the climax, because I can see some kind of, guys, resistive zone there. By the way, I think still we have that opportunity. Okay, within couple of seconds I will show you my investment profit, guys, for this one. Look at this, $885 profit, another one. And let's push down, guys, because it hit the climax the bot zone, guys, and it should be going down in any moment, guys. Climb down. And also look analyze the market strategy, market behavior, like, guys. In the previous one, guys, you can see some kind of resistive zone. Look at this, guys, look at this. So far so good. Look at this resistive zone, supportive zone, and this is the resistive zone, the new resistive zone, as I told you, guys. And the market is bouncing in between resistive zones and supportive zones right now, and so far so good. Right now it should be pushing down, guys. So yeah, let's wait and see, guys. Let him go. Yeah, let him make money, guys. Okay, all right. Okay, another $890 profit, guys. So let's push what wait, it is in the flat zone, guys, the range zone. So it's like 50-50 opportunity, so that's why I'm not going to trade with the that one. And let's change the currency pair, guys, and let's push up. Yeah, look at this, guys. There are a lot of resistive zones and supportive zones, guys. Look at these, and the market bouncing in between them, guys. So that's why decided to choose the buying option, supporting with the green candle. Green candle is growing up. And guys, if you don't know about the supportive zone, resistive zone, and the flat zone, range zone, blah blah blah, so guys, I'm highly recommending you to watch my previous videos and come back to this video, guys. In my previous videos, I'm really 100% explaining the resistive zone, supportive zone, flat zone. In the flat zone, don't risk your money and everything, guys. So use my tactics, use my analysis, use my VIP Telegram channel. Don't forget to join with my VIP Telegram channel community. And look at my shit, I lost my $500, guys. Okay, doesn't matter. Let's go with another 1,000. Okay, let's push down with the market. Okay, don't get panic, okay. I think what is the market strategy? Let me analyze a little bit the RS indicator, guys, because I got shocked a little bit right now. So far so good. According to the RS indicator, it's showing, guys, it's moving into the oversell zone, like it's climbing down. So by the way, I can make this profit, guys. And guys, look at follow my VIP Telegram channel, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the like button for this video. Don't forget about it right now, guys. Do it. And look my profit, guys, $1,820 profit, guys. So far so good. Look at this. In my live account, I have $3,875. I started up with 2,000, and I made the profit, guys, around $1,900, guys, and it's a good one for today, guys. So my dear traders, do you want to earn money like me as a professional day trader? So then follow my instructions, follow my tactics, and let's meet with another profitable day trading video with Utums Trading Academy. See you and take care, my dear traders.